Hello everyone, in this today's session I will show you an zero-day exploit of MS-DT vulnerability of Windows. To exploit this vulnerability, I will show making this video. I will exploit it on my Windows system and my attacker machine in my parrot set. You can use Kali also, and I have already done the git clone and move to that folder MS-DT Florina, that folder, and here I have done ls. Here 4 files are there, and before that we move to our victim machine or our target machine. We have to do some changes here. We have to switch off the real-time protection. Okay, only this much. And one more thing, if I type python 3 florina.py -help, then here you can see it, guys. Let me do 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Yeah. -c command is used to say after opening that file doc file which command will execute. Okay. And -o flag says that in which name we want to save that file. By default it will be florina.doc, and in the command by default it will open calculator, and the interface says that which interface we want to use to run this attack, by which this attack will go on. By default it will be ETS0. Okay, but if you are using WLAN 0, then we have to change it by -i option. And -port says that in which port number we want to run that HTTPS server, okay, or service server. By default it will be 8000, and the reverse, we can get a reverse shell also using this exploit. And in the -r option we will specify that port number of our attacker machine, in which port number we want to listen. Okay, before running this exploit, I know many in parrot it is showing that my internet is working on ENP0S3 interface. Okay, if you are running it on WLAN 0, then no need of specifying it. And here you can see I have already typed out the command. This is the second time I am making this video. I have before this I have made the video, but I forget to start that recording one. That's why it's the second time. And see guys, I'm explaining python 3. Because this is a Python file, we are specifying python 3 to run this, and this is our file name. -i stands for the interface. By default it will be ETS0, and if you by interface by which your internet is coming, if it is in ETS0, then no need of specifying this -i option. And -r states that reverse port, in which port we want to listen the server. In which port we want to get back the reverse shell. This is our port number. Okay. We can specify any port number. Okay, okay, let's enter. Okay, here you can specify any port number. I am just specifying any random port number. And after running this file, if I go to this directly, then here you can see one doc file will be created. Here you can see the doc file florina.doc. Now you have to transfer this doc file to your victim machine. You can do it by social engineering attacks, such all. I am transferring this file to my victim machine. Wait guys, make sure your real-time protection should be off, otherwise it will not able to run it. We can bypass this, but for now we will not do that. Wait guys, we have to transfer this to our victim, this docs file florina. You can change this name by -o option, which I have not specified. This is our doc file florina.py. Now we have to specify it. Now we have to send it to our victim. Yes, here you can see we have sent it to our victim. Now this is our, and make sure your system should install the Microsoft Office or Word specifically. And now how you can install Microsoft Office in free 2020-21. I have created a video. Once you check it out. Okay, now leave it. Now we have to just run this file. Try any kind of social engineering attacks to trick victim. And now keep an eye at here at starting. Now what it will show. Check it out. Okay, loading. Oh, my system resource is very slow. That's why it is taking too much of time. And here you can see that is our IP. If you have noticed, that is our IP, and here you can see port 8000. Now let the file to be open. It is taking time. Just patience, patience, patience. Oh. And here you can see program. Okay, it is still now. Program compatibility troubleshoot. Let it be. Okay, we have to accept the license. I have forget to accept. That's why it is not opening. Sorry guys, we have to forget. I have forget one thing. We have to accept the license. Let me to maximize it for once. Now close it. I am minimizing it. After the in summary, if I say after victim open this file, you will get a reversion. Okay, in simple word, if I go to file, then go to account, then here you can see this Microsoft Office is cracked downloaded, and how you can download, I have created that video also. I'll stick it out on my YouTube, or I will give the link. And here you can see we have got the reverse shell. Let me to maximize the terminal. If I type ls, sorry, I forget the command. Then we are in this path. If I type ipconfig, then here you can see the IP address 192.168.1251.150. Check out this last two, 251.150. 251.150. Oops. If I open terminal in my Windows 10 machine, it is taking time. Sorry. If I type ipconfig 251.150, if I type host name, then it is saying this is host name. If I type who am I, then this is this test PC. Now let's run the same command in victim system. Who am I? This test PC, and this is our desktop name. The same as. Okay. Like this, you can get the reverse shell. If the victim open this file with the root shell, in the root account, then you will get an root shell. By at present, here you can see we have created normal shell. Now we have to do privilege escalation. For that, too many methods are there, but my aim is not to show the privilege escalation. My aim is here to explain this vulnerability, and I have done it. And this is a 0-day vulnerability. I will say that don't download any improper thing from internet. Like this, you can get a reverse shell also. It can make face you trouble. And till this much, meet you in next video. Take care of yourself, your family, and Jai Hind and happy hacking. Goodbye.